Los Angeles, LAX.
I'm recording. Hello guys! It's a beautiful Monday morning here. Ayan, naka-open ang ating pool. What are you doing there? Huh? Naglalaro pa siya guys, hindi pa siya nakapag-homeschool. Wala pa na ako na iyahang hair. But anyway, she likes going in this area. Tapos naga-weeding siya. Are you weeding? Meron sila dito guys, yun siya. They call it agua manzanas or manzanas agua, whatever. So, agua means water. So, water apple or apple water. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon guys. Hello sun. So, ito nilabhan ko ito kasi parang medyo dusty na siya. Yan, tapos si Rachel and her scientific observation. Ito dito guys, binrush ko ito kahapon before it got dark. Yan, para maupuan namin. Ay, dalhin ko na lang ito doon. Okay, para maarawan. Sweet. Ayan, winalis ko lang siya dito guys. Kasi nahulog ang mga dahon. So, medyo hugaw siya tanawon. Last night, ko pa lang ito dito. Diniligan. Giwash na ko siya kay para ready na for today. Para limpyo siya tanawon. Yan. So, Rachel is doing a lot of experiment. Yeah. Ito siya guys, parang yung
That smells
nakalimut.
like pickles, and this leaf sticks to your skin.
Oh.
This one, it sticks.
How does it smell? Let me
It
smell.
smells like some perfume.
Okay. Let me see. Ay, nako. So, this one guys, para siyang, ayan, yung dahon na, parang,
See, it sticks too.
yeah, yung oily siya kapag niluluto. Nakalimutan ko na. Yeah, meron din yan dito guys. Hindi ko ito nakita sa States, pero dito, meron din tanim na ganyan. Look. Maraming mga common na tanim na makikita mo dito at sa Pilipinas. Ayan, ito siya Yan. So, there you go. Idiligan natin yan guys kasi medyo na siya, nag-die. Tapos ang experiment din ni Rachel. She's growing an algae. Yan. Lang magdilig muna tayo. Nagbo-boil ako ng kamuting kahoy. Kamuting kahoy, yung yuca. Yuca ang tawag na nila dito dyan. Tapos nagluluto ako ng rice. Yan, I guess that's good na. Ang asawa ko, busy. Busy siya dito sa computer. Ayan. Medyo makalat doon guys kasi yan yung ginawang office ng asawa ko. Yeah, tapos marami kaming staff na nakalagay doon kasi walang masyadong space and yeah, meron namang mga dito drawers pero we're not staying here for so long. So I don't wanna waste a lot of my energy just to be cleaning and cleaning. Yan, so nung first day namin dito guys, tinanggal ko talaga lahat ng mga mga kortina, ganun, bed sheets. Kasi kapag yung place hindi mo na siya na nobody staying, yan, so medyo magkakaroon talaga ng amoy. Although meron namang nagme-maintain dito. Yan. Merong naglilinis. So, iba talaga kapag may nakatira kasi. Yan. So, magdilig muna tayo guys. Nag-heat up tayo ng soup. So, ginawa ko ito like 2 nights ago guys. Yan. Yan natin si Daddy. Yan. Para malipay ang atong banahur. There you go. Okay. Daddy. I'll put it on the other side. Ito na yung ulam namin, ngayong gabi guys. Tapos magluto ako ng ito, fish fillet. Yan. Maaga pa naman guys. Ano pa lang, 12:30 ng hapon. Yan. So, i-braid ko lang yung buhok ng anak ko, ayusin ko lang, and then, para makapag-start na siyang mag-homeschool. So, nandito ako sa kwarto ng anak ko.
No.
Hi! You're here!
Sorry.
She was actually doing her homeschool.
So,
Ano
does
yun?
my algae look healthy?
Yes,
And
yes.
how was it able to survive when I had the lid closed?
A little close. Yeah,
didn't-
they don't try like right away.
I didn't close it fully.
Mhm.
The way.
They were still able to, to breathe.
Okay.
She's growing an algae, guys. Why is it in the water? Can you please explain it to them?
Because algae needs water, and you saw those algae on the floor. That
Ground.
yeah, but the thing is that you can raise that type of algae in water. So when you get your algae, make sure that you also bring the soil with it, so it will still be alive. Then have your water from a jar like this big, and then put the algae inside and pour in the water. Make sure, if you're very patient, then it's gonna grow, but also make sure that you keep the lid open, and if ants come inside, I have this plastic spoon which you can use to scoop it out and also put it in an area where ants can't get it. And it also needs plenty of sunlight, so when you're at the sun, you have to put it at the sun. And then after a while, if it gets too warm, you should take it out until the water cools back down, and then put it back in, because if the temperature is really hot, then it will die. When it dies, it will like show you a yellowish color. If it's green, that means it's healthy. If it's dark green, that means it's extremely healthy.
How do you assess your experiment so far?
I think it's good. The algae is surviving, and if you're looking for some algae food, you don't need algae food. The water is literally its food. And also make sure to give it enough air to breathe. So if you want to close the lid because there's so much ants in your environment, then you can, but you have to poke a few holes in it. Don't forget about changing the water. If the water looks dirty or brownish, yellowish, but even before it gets to that color, then you have to change it.
Mm-hmm.
And you can also tell if the water is about to rot by smelling it.
Oh,
if
really?
it smells like soily water, then it's time to do it. But also make sure that you change it once in a week.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
And
good.
if the algae survives, that's good. Bye.
Bye. Okay, you're gonna do your work now, huh? Okay. So, anyway, yan. Naghihintay lang ako na I'm not sure actually kung magluluto ako ng dinner. So, ito na yung kwarto ng anak ko, guys. Ayan, at least medyo malinis ng tingnan. Nagbihis lang ako, guys, kasi niyaya ako ng asawa ko na mag-walking daw kami para lang, makalabas. Yan si Rachel. Yan. So, tingnan natin dito sa baba, guys. There. Dito tayo. Lang, there's a car.
Huh?
There's a car down there.
Yeah, slow down now.
I said to Kitty, why are you exploring into the
Rachel. Kanal. Hello, nag-stagnant ang tubig. Oh, yeah. That means no trespassing. Ito, bakante pa, oh. Tingnan nyo yan, guys. Kalami na lang yun sa butong. Kung pwede pa lang. I can't wait na gyud na na umuwi ng Pilipinas para makaano kami ng niyog. Tingnan nyo yan. Oh, yan yung tinatawag nila na manzanil. Oh my gosh. May aso dito. Oh my gosh. Ay, ano na pala dito, guys. Oh.
Wow, a little bit now.
Oo.
Better.
Tingnan niyo yan. Yeah, yeah. Oh, puso ng saging. Yan, may saging dito guys. Nagtubo lang siya. Ano siya dira? Look at that. So beautiful. Nice masyado siya tingnan doon guys. Hi! Tingnan niyo naman dyan guys. Manghuwa ta direct saging. Ang tanong, libre ba yung saging na yun? May tag-iya ka ni diri ano? Lang, I wonder if this is owned by somebody. Ang ganda ng anong tawag siya na tanim na yan?
Also the water.
Yeah, look at that. Mhm. It's 4:30 nga pala right now guys. So, ito. Nandyan pa si Haring Araw. So, balik tayo dito kasi wala nang exit doon. Karamihan talaga dito may mga aso sila. Meron silang tagabantay sa kanilang bahay. Nice, mag-sunbathing na sila. Away from the beach. Tingnan niyo yung aso na sa pagtahulan. Nice itong bahay na ito. Oh my goodness. Say vende. Say vende means for sale. Yan, dito tayo guys. Okay. Go. Alerto ka sa mga sasakyan, alerto ka rin sa mga kay na. Baka makuratan tayo niyan. Makuratan tayo ng pinaabtik. Right, Daddy? Look at that. Oh, there's a car coming. Oh, this is where we went the last time too. Look, I remember this. From there, yeah, we crossed this way. Okay. Ay, nako. So, nagchinilas lang, Jokin. Parang matanggal akong chinilas. Oh my goodness. Tingnan niyo yan. Nakita niyo yung mga doon pababa. Kasi nga because of the topography here. Parang may mga hilly. Tapos may mga mountains. Iba yung shape ng kanilang land. Maganda din ito guys. Then dito rin. Maganda. So hindi namin ito nadaanan the last time kasi doon kami sa kabila. Paakyat. Okay, Daddy. I'll take a photo of you and Rachel. Oh, may park, may small pala dito, playground. Hi? Sure. No, it's not on.
You want it on?
No, not right now. She's recording me on my phone because I want to make videos. Wait.
Then go.
Look at my hands.
Look at
Look at my hands.
Yep, I see. They're not red, yeah? Right?
It is red.
Oh, they start to get red.
Yeah, but when I was at the big park,
Mhm.
I played for like hours. Then my hands were like really red, and then it started to hurt. It was sore, and and it was cold. The wind was cold. Then
Mhm.
after
You want daddy to push you a little bit?
no.
Okay. Ito guys ba, oh, para siyang guyabano. Naghahanap ako kung meron siyang prutas, yung fruit niya. Wala man siyang prutas pa, oy. Yeah, pero I believe that's guyabano. So dito lang kami ng asawa ko, guys. Date. Date kasi we can't afford to go to the restaurant. No?
Fantasy Island.
We're here at the Fantasy Island. Ano ba? Oh my gosh, guyabano jud siya, guys. See? Yeah. Guyabano jud siya.
Let's take a look at that.
Now.
I'm holding on this tree, so I
Uh-huh.
fall.
I was telling her to be careful because that's steep right there. It's steep.
Look, I wish we could take.
Uh-huh. Wow. You know, they said that it's good for cancer. Yeah.
Over this.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah.
It's okay. Wait, the ant's scared of me. Look, that's why it's
He said,
freezing.
I gotta stay frozen so I can walk. So she won't see me.
Ants are scared of humans. Like no matter how big they are. These ants are so cute.
Look, there's a big one right here.
Yes.
Tingnan niyo naman yung
Look,
papaya
there's another
dyan.
ant.
Oh,
Look, there's an ant carrying a big one.
pwede manungkit. Pwede ba akong manungkit ng papaya
No.
dyan?
Those type of ants, they
Ay, nako.
freeze every time they see.
Pabalik na kami, guys. Oh.
I don't know why they're so far behind you. I'm telling you about them.